Hi, my name is Jess and I'm a thriftaholic. I'm a part-time reseller and today I have a short haul for you. I went to a Goodwill in Iowa and I got a random assortment. I mainly looked in hard goods and let me tell you, I did really good. Okay, I have a little game for you. I have never tried this. It's Seagram's Escape Tropical Rosé. I'm not much of a drinker just because I'm always pregnant or nursing, so anyways, going to have a game for you. Anytime I say so, take a drink. Even if it's coffee. No. It tastes like watered down beer. Does not taste like rosé. So, let's get started. I ran comps really quick. I spent $60 on everything and we're going to get started because I am outside. It's a gorgeous day out and it's sunsetting. I don't want to lose daylight. Okay. I sell on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to Thrifting is My Beach. It really is my beach. It is my happy place. Anytime I am stressed or I need a break away from the kids, I tell my husband and we make arrangements for me to go thrifting. Okay, first up, we have a vintage bamboo picnic basket. It's in very good condition. There are no markings. There's no damage to it. It is super cute. See? Paid a whole $2. Actually, no, $1.88. Super cute. I'm hoping to get 30 to 40 for that. I'm hoping to sell it on Poshmark because it's super cheap shipping. Okay. There were two of these juicers, but somebody beat me to the one. I have the back to it over here. It's just hard to hold. Stainless steel juicer by Jack Linnaeus. It's a Power Juicer Pro. I turned it on. Sounded good. Ugh, I paid a whole $5.88 for that. Comps for that one are about $70 to $80 used. What else should I do? Ugh. Okay, this was a whole 88 cents. Do you guys remember these? You probably need to be 35 and up to know what these are. I only know because my sisters. I'm not quite 35. There's that. And it's a stacking toy by Fisher-Price, I believe. Yeah. Little doggy. I will say it's hard to pull the toys off. Those don't flip for much, but I don't really care because it was 88 cents, so anything really is profit. These flip for $8 to $20. Yeah. Okay, this, I did not check comps more in their store. I just thought it was neat. And it was half off, so I paid probably $2.50 for it. It's San Francisco, I believe, with the trolleys. It's just a neat print, art to wear, denim jacket. Comps weren't very good on eBay, so I might put that on Poshmark instead. Let's see what it said, like $10 to $20, but maybe I'll style it and like model in it and it'll sell better. But yeah, $2.50 for that. Here's a really cool dead stock toy. A CNC school bus by Mattel. It is still in the box. It was taped up in the store. Fingers crossed it's all in there. It looks to be, I'm hoping it's new, because like there's no wear on the box, but I will find out. I did pay almost $5 for this, and I had a hard time finding one with the box or new in the box. Comps without the box weren't very good, like maybe $10, $15, I think, but if this is in the box, I want to try to get at least 25 to 30. Somebody else had this listed online for about 70 with the box, but it hadn't sold, so. Okay, I have never seen dance goes like this before. Yes, I paid $8.88. However, these sell for $70 to $80. And they're in really good shape, good size. I don't even see any scuffs or anything like that. And they are a 9. Bugs are starting to get to me, sorry. So, yeah. I'll probably give the rest of those away. At least I got a small case. Alright, this is only my 3rd time finding Melissa's. How cute. And it's a collaboration with Selena, I believe. Yep, Selena's. Cute with a little gold hardware. It says Melissa. They're in really good condition. And if shoes don't have a price sticker on them at this local Goodwill I go to, they're $4.88, which is a good price. The other item I didn't notice because I was shopping, I don't know, I just in a mood where I was throwing stuff in my cart. And I went through it quickly near the end to sort through it. And I didn't look up comps on everything, which is a no-no. You should always look up comps. But these are just some cool gray Converse with glitter toes. They're not in bad shape, however, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if I can wash that out. It's not going to be a big deal. I just paid, you know, the $4.88 for them. But one thing I love about having Converse in my closet and even on Mercari, I get so much traffic with Converses. And so bringing traffic to your store, people will browse and maybe find something else they like. So it's not all lost. And like I said, you can sell beat up Converse and they will still sell. So I'll still make a profit on those. I'm guessing $25. Here are some anti-stress shoes. I have no idea what that means. Probably just a comfort shoe. Nice leather with eyelet, laser cut Mary Janes. And these European size 40, which is I believe a 10. And I think I can get $25 to $35 for these. All right. I don't very often find men's size 12 sneakers in decent condition. These, I have never seen Earth sneakers before. How cool. I mean, obviously they look like dad shoes, like for real. Earth Vegan. I don't know if you can see it. It says Earth Vegan. You know, just a basic shoe. Those are $4.88 too. They didn't even mark those up. And they actually have a good comps. $45. Like, that's great. And that was for a size 10, so I could probably get $55 for a size 12. These I meant to look up. I thought they were vintage, but looking at them closer, they're not. I'm hoping to at least get $5. I paid 88 cents for them, but they are see-through Snoopy playing cards. So yeah. Okay, y'all know I love selling discontinued beauty or cleaning products. Whoops, one's upside down. So, check it out. They were 88 cents a piece. I will bundle them up and sell them for $20. So $2 into 20, I will take it. And they're new in the box, sealed, so they're easy to photograph. And if I wanted to, I could store these away for another year. And most likely the price would continue to go up because they would become harder to find. But I don't want to store something. I'm just going to list it and make some money. Did I show you everything? Gosh, that was super quick. No, I haven't. I'm not done yet. Here is Josie by Notori. They make a sleepwear line. If I can find the tag. One of their most famous items that they make are the kimono robes. How cute is that? I love this print. Very like floral. It almost looks like patchwork, but it's not. I paid $4 for that, and they sell between $25 and $35. And I believe this is my last piece. Yeah, this is a short haul. Oh my goodness, it still has the sticker on it. This is new without tags. Well, I don't know if you're gonna count that as a tag. It's a blanket. I always love selling linens made in the USA. Okay, so I'm here in Illinois. I bought this in Iowa. Let's see if I can get it the right side up. Now I'm sure this is kind of controversial because of what's going on in the States right now, but it's Oklahoma City Police blanket with the canine. Try to show you the bottom. I don't want to spill my drink. It's got the cool cop car, and it has the county names along the border. It's really neat. I tried looking it up quickly on eBay and I could not. I'm guessing I don't know if I'll even find comps on these, but the sticker is still on it. It has not even been washed. I mean, it's new without tags, so I'm hoping to get $40 or $50. So I didn't total all this up, did I? Okay, let me do some math really quickly. So let's see. What did I not include in my total? I've told you everything that I can sell for, so I want to make sure I tell you how much I can make. So I paid a total of like $60, maybe $62 for everything that I have shown you. And let's see, the blanket. I don't have the blanket down here. Oh, because I couldn't find a comp on it. I'm gonna say 40. Okay, so now we're at 4. Okay, so turning the $60 into $408. That is great. The $408 is the total of the gross. You would have to minus fees, which are different for each platform. But I love that. Like, gosh, I just love flipping things. And so many people believe that flipping or hustling or whatever you're gonna call it is not a real job, but I beg to differ. If anybody is at home right now and you're looking to make some extra money, go around your house and sell things. That's how I started. You would be amazed at what will sell online, and it's a lot easier than you think. So yeah, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below what your favorite item was, or if you have any information on this stuff. I've never owned a juicer. We have a Ninja, I believe, and it works really well if I want to have a smoothie. So all right, well, have a great night. Stay safe.